Can't wait to get these things put on. I'm just waiting to get picked up here, so I'm about to head over to get the car picked up. It's been at the shop. We're gonna come back and we're gonna put these on. So yeah, let's see what's going down. He said it's out front, so yeah, I think it's after that one. Pretty dang good from here.
That looks amazing. Ah, dang.
Holy shit.
Sparkling.
Dang, he really got it clean. Damn. Holy cow, that ceramic coat slaps. I'm still wearing my polarized glasses. I ain't even looking at it. Holy shit. Glistening. Ooh, back at it. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Can't wash it for a while, so I'm gonna collect some dust. But man, she's shining, yo. Let's go put these brakes on. All right, we are back in my garage with the car all finished up. It is sparkly, yo. Like, it is glistening. Watkins detailing, yo. Look at this shine, man. Look at that shine, man. That's what's up, man. I've been tired of cleaning this thing, so we're about to get down and clown on these discs right here. So, yep, that's what's gonna start happening, and I think this should only take me about like 20 minutes aside or something like that. I'll be slow and steady with it. So yeah, I've done this video before. Not really gonna go into detail since I've already done all that, so I'll probably just time lapse it, put a little music on and chill, you know what I'm saying? So. Well, I'll let you guys enjoy while I get this done. Down here to the nitty gritty. Obviously my wheel is off, spacer's off. I got the 19s on the back of the caliper broken loose, and I was actually referring to my old video to see what the hell I did, because this thing is a hard line right here to the caliper, and I thought it was like loose, so I guess I'm just like nervous about bending this line up, so I'm gonna pop it off gently. Hopefully don't bend too much. There's probably a better way to do this, but for some reason I thought this line right here went to here so you could dangle it around, but I'll figure it out real quick. Once this is off, slap that beast on. Pads come out pretty easy, and we'll see what happens. I guess one thing to note, go ahead and do the pads first, get that out of the way so that they're not clamping on your rotor when you get in there. Slap the rotor in once it pops out, and then put the pads in. It's just a little easier and it doesn't make, you know, life difficult, so we're gonna do it that way. Alright, pads are free. Let's go ahead and pull this caliper off. Try not to dick this shit up. This ain't hard for me to come off because this ain't too old. I'm trying to hold this beast up. I need some trickery. Like that. Well, I grab a zip tie. Alright. Zip trip. Yeah, I legit don't even know what the heck I'm doing right. It's kind of actually supported with the drill, bro. Yeah, just stay there like that for me. Old disc, holy cow, I can feel the weight, y'all. Oh, it's light. Reps. Get these reps in. A little lighter. A little flight. put this gang stuff on right here. Gang. Free floater. Yep. Gonna do that. I'm gonna fit the caliper over it. Get it back in. Little knee action here. Twist that back. Okay. Something like that. That's a big flex. I'm just looking at it, bro. It's the bee's knees. I can tell you right now. Alright, there she is. Free floating. God, it looks so good. Evo 10, baby. Now we need some fresh pads. So I just took my stop techs out. But from what I hear, these magic pads are a little less dusty, and I want to run a little less dusty since I already know I'm going to have a little more performance off of the rotors. Pads aren't going to be as good as the stop techs, but we'll do these as a break-in precaution. Keep them fresh. Recommend slowest and Girodisc as they are the same, correlating brand and everything. So yeah. Let's slide these in. Same exact thing, huh? Hopefully this isn't too hard, but let's see how much issue we get. Man, it looks so good. Alright, just buttoning up these 12s. Pads are in. I couldn't find any brake lubricant, so I just borrowed some bushing lubricant from when I did my white line bearings. Threw that on the back, same shit. Let's get it together. That's 112 of the free boys. Here's number 2. Okay, should be everything. Spacer holding it in place, snapped in, locked in. 19s were torqued. I got a Girodisc on there, y'all. Sheesh. Gosh. Fresh. Looks so much more, you know, race-like. Alright, baby. Dang, my tires are lasting pretty good. That's nice. It's like a dream come true or something. It's like all of this stuff. Square you up a little bit here. I'm gonna get new OEM lugs. These are starting to get a little bit up, but that's all good. Square up real quick. Alright, I'm cool with that. We'll do a quick drop. Skirt, like that. Alright, disc number 2. Drop the side, baby. Oh yeah, they got all these like warnings and stuff like, hey, you're an incompetent person, don't do this, blah blah blah. I'm YouTube certified, so I don't care. We're getting it done. But yeah, just little stuff they'll tell you about. I'll let you pause that if you really care, but this is what comes with the product. I'm gonna put it on and get it done. back rested on my impact because that's all I got to do. Whack it real hard with the mallet, all on the different sides, and I'll break it free if you're having issues. As you can see, she is going good right there. We're gonna go ahead and take her off now. Balance. Oh, so heavy. All right. Anyways, break some concrete on the garage and open up the new disc, yo. Let's get this. Oh yeah, I forgot. I can just slide this out of the back. Number 2, let's go. You got the Larry. The Larry side is 0.008 with the max run out. My other one was 0.005, should be within the tolerance. Nice. Ooh, I like these. I like this. Everything on here just looks so freaking sweet. I don't even want to put it on the car, I just want to hang it on the wall. Maybe make a clock out of it, but business is business. We got to be faster, so let's put it on. Yeah, this is definitely lighter, like just playing with that one and playing with this one. I couldn't really tell on the other one for a second, but I can definitely feel it now that I've lifted both of them twice. Holy cow. Gosh, look at this. Putting Picasso right on. Let's go, Picasso. Or is that Medici or Donatello or whatever, man? This is fire stuff. Alright, I got that Brembo secured. Well, it's not secured, it's just floating. About one of the night times. I'm getting number 2 in real quick. Once I get it threaded, usually I just throw the zapper on it. This one's being a little difficult. Should be zap ready. Let's see what we got. That'll do. Donkey. That'll do. Nope. Take my socket back though. Holy cow, I probably lost like 90 decibels of hearing potential right there. It's like echoing right here. Alright. Gosh, this is so beautiful. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and throw on some new pads. I guess I can zap this little 12 mil on so I can be done with 12 mils for the evening. We'll zap them on. The one that allowed for a little bit of sway on the caliper while I had it off. Left hand competence at all-time low right now. Come on. There it is. Oh yeah, totaled. Alright. 19 secured, 12 secured, pads in, spacer on, wheel on, we done. So I'm gonna go ahead and get it knocked out and then we'll catch up with you. Sheesh! Let's go, baby. Drop her down like a clown. Alright, I'll just double check this work. We're gonna go rip. That's it, baby. Alright, so if you're paying attention at the beginning of the video, you saw I picked up off this fresh ceramic coat. Why don't you guys give this guy a check out if you're interested in the detailing, the ceramic coating, all that kind of stuff here in the Kansas City area. Come on, focus, baby. Focus, baby. Charles Watkins, man. He is the man. So shout out him if you want a nice ceramic coating, because he cleaned me up. I mean, cleaned me up. This thing looks as good as it ever has. I'm pretty happy with it, so thanks, Charles. Just a quick walk around, man, before I get out of here, because wow, dude, it just looks so good. Little by little, get to the next level, man. Looking good. All right, let's go for this test drive. All right, we're on the discs, yo. I can feel them. Like, I can feel them. I was backing out the driveway and I could feel them. Like, just turning the steering wheel, you can feel the lightness. Like, you can feel the ease of execution. It's phenomenal. And I think I've got addicted to a new mod for every vehicle I will purchase from here on out. So, right now, I'm kind of feeling the hype everyone was talking about. Like, I did a little hit earlier too. I could feel the acceleration improvement and all that. But wow, can you feel it when you just turn the wheel? Like, it's just more precise. It's agile. It almost executes so well that you almost have to kind of relearn the car a little bit because it's just so responsive. So I gotta tell you guys, like, you can see why this particular mod costs so much, but the improvement on everything is so nice. The braking is super smooth. That's another thing I noticed is there's no fade, and like, I brought the peasant discs, is what I call them. They're O'Reilly's blanks. Awful rotor. I mean, they work probably within the first like 2,000 or 3,000 miles. These things, I can just feel like how perfectly straight they are. So you guys got to get yourself a set. I already want the rears. The rears squeaked at me earlier, so I think that's a motivation to go ahead and purchase them here soon. So I'll keep you all in the loop on that. All right, coming back from that run, and I'm just gotta say that this might be my favorite upgrade I've done to the car. And I think that if I get the rears, it'll be like my favorite upgrade again. So I mean, it's nuts what it feels like. I mean, it feels like it fixed so many problems. My like SST feels like it's like shifting quicker. It's more responsive. It's nimble in the corners. Like, it's light on its feet. It's just it's nice. So I'm pulling into the crib right now, but there's a good chance I'm ordering these rears pretty soon. So stay tuned, guys. I mean, literally, I'm kind of mind blown right now because you know, you get addicted to power and everything. You always think about the horsepower numbers and everything, but when you have significant weight savings and, you know, unsprung mass, and then you apply it to the streets when you have a little bit more power than you used to have when you're a younger guy, and it's like, holy cow, you can really feel it. And yeah, this might be a game changer. It is a game changer. It's got me influenced. So I think I'm gonna cut it off right here, guys. Pull it in. It's been a long day, picking up from Ceramic Co, putting on brakes, been doing a lot of other stuff. So appreciate you guys tuning in. I'll let you know what's going on in a little bit. Peace.